For a new aircraft program, we need to perform tens of thousands of structural tasks, ranging from small coupons up to full-scale tasks. To perform all these tasks is expensive and time-consuming. Our smarter testing approach will enable the reduction of physical tasks and replace them by simulations, reducing aircraft development lead time and increasing product maturity.
Together, we have developed a collaborative web-based environment powered by the Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform for smarter testing. The platform seamlessly integrates virtual and physical testing processes, enabling customers and test engineers to collaborate, getting a single authoritative source of truth for all test data. Key capabilities include test requirements management and planning, test digital mock-up creation and assembly, physical test execution and monitoring, and correlation, validation, and assurance, streamlining decision-making and enhancing test efficiency across the lifecycle.
Our platform is the digital backbone for our revolutionary smarter testing approach, placing a digital twin at the center of a model-based data environment.